music speaks where words fall apart. Quiet spark in a crowded heart. No borders drawn, no lines to trace. Just breathe and sound and open space. From crowded streets to silent rooms, it fills the dark, it softens gloom. One simple song and suddenly 1,000 strangers sing with me. Every